There are certain expectations of every Porsche. Expectations that usually end with the phrase, like a Porsche. They must be agile. They must be powerful. And they must be reliable performers. They must prove, like every Porsche before, they are worthy of the badge. Dubai. The heavily camouflaged Cayenne prototypes are nearing the final stages of testing. In Dubai, there is sand, one of the most difficult surfaces any vehicle will face. Traction is an obvious challenge, but the environment sand creates is harsh. Materials and design must be able to withstand the increased wear on parts and systems. Peter Haas, leader of vehicle validation for the Cayenne project, and his team will test and retest, making adjustments until they are satisfied. After weeks in the desert, the team prepares to move on. It's easy to imagine the terrain in which a Porsche sports car may find itself. The Porsche Cayenne, on the other hand, may find itself virtually anywhere. A remote area of northern Spain provides the perfect topography for serious off-road testing. Steep, slippery inclines, unpredictable riverbeds, deep gullies and moguls are crossed again and again. The data is then compared to benchmark testing performed several years ago at the onset of the project. GPS is used to recall exact locations, so results are accurate from test to test. Technology and machinery are vital to Porsche testing. They are no replacement, though, for experienced Porsche test engineers. After years of testing and refining, the team is finally beginning to see the vehicle they have envisioned for so long. Climbing hills has always been a favorite activity for Porsche. Twisting switchbacks and often unpredictable road surfaces have led to traction and braking systems that are widely copied, though rarely duplicated. The Austrian Alps provide an excellent course on which to prove the towing and braking capacities of the Cayenne. Porsche braking technology is put to the test as several thousand kilos are pulled up and down the mountains through hairpin turns. Sub-zero temperatures and the rough, snowy landscape of Sweden give the Porsche test team the perfect environment to test traction control on snow and ice, as well as the opportunity to run the engine and transmission in extremely harsh temperatures, dipping at times to -40. Testing at speeds reaching 120 miles per hour, the Cayenne, in true Porsche fashion, is a thrill to drive. On-road testing was critical. The Cayenne is, above all, a Porsche. After thousands of miles on tracks around the world, it is brought home to the Nürburgring. Here it is punished like every Porsche before and benchmarked to a level of performance no other SUV can claim. After 3 years of testing the Cayenne in virtually every conceivable environment, the test team is very near to realizing a dream. It is a dream that combines Porsche performance with all-terrain utility. It is also an extension of a dream that began over 50 years ago and is sustained and advanced again and again and again with every new Porsche. And it is a dream that will live on in the next Porsche.